Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. Okay, first things first, click on the search icon in the bottom left corner of your desktop. Type update in the search box and select check for updates from the list. Look then for the Windows Edition being rolled out. If not visible, click on the link that mentions installing Windows 11 on eligible devices. After that, just click on the link provided for installing Windows 11 on eligible devices. Verify your system if it meets the minimum requirements using the PC Health Check app, which I will paste the link in our screen. If you are upgrading from Windows 10, Microsoft recommends waiting for the update notification through Windows Updates. Check then the Windows Update screen periodically to see if Windows 11 is ready for your device. Once Windows 11 becomes available and your device is eligible, you'll then see the option to upgrade to Windows 11 on the update screen. Just confirm the upgrade to Windows 11 when prompted. Verify that your device meets the necessary requirements and follow any additional instructions provided during the upgrade process. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now update Windows 10 to Windows 11. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.